Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best folding table legs is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components of any folding table setup. A sturdy and reliable set of legs can mean the difference between a successful event and a disastrous collapse, ensuring your table remains stable even under heavy loads and withstands the test of time, whether you're hosting a large party, setting up a professional trade show booth, or simply need a dependable surface for your home projects. Choosing the right pair can significantly impact the overall functionality and longevity of your folding table. Number 5. Ebco Tools APF-B Table Legs. These are the Ebco Tools APF-B 29 black folding table legs. They're perfect for creating sturdy, portable tables. These legs fold up easily for compact storage and transport. Setup is quick and simple. They're made to last. It's built from high-quality materials to withstand regular use. These legs are ideal for a variety of applications, from crafting tables to outdoor events. They're incredibly versatile. Whether you need a table for a party, a craft project, or a quick workspace, it's the perfect solution. They're easy to set up and take down. Choose Ebco Tools for reliable, durable products. These legs are a testament to our commitment to quality. What we like. If you need a sturdy and dependable option for your table, this is it. It's built to last and won't break the bank. If you're on a budget but still want quality, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These legs are sturdy and well made, and they're made in the USA. Exactly what we needed. We had a leftover butcher block countertop from a kitchen project, and we were able to use these folding table legs to create a folding craft table. Worked out great and satisfied with the quality and sturdiness. Use these to make a work table using 2x4 as the work surface. They provide all the support I need and allow for portability and compact storage. Number 4. Waddell FTL 100 Folding Legs. These folding legs are perfect for banquet tables, offering both stability and convenience. They're easy to set up and store away, saving you space and time. Made with a blend of 60% cotton and 40% polyester, it ensures long-lasting performance. They are built to withstand frequent use. The superior quality of these legs is a testament to American craftsmanship. Experience the difference that quality makes. Setting up is a breeze. Simply attach them to your table and you're ready to go. It comes with everything you need: plastic floor tips to protect your floors and mounting screws for a secure fit. Everything is included for your convenience. While the design is American, these are manufactured in China to ensure affordability and availability. They still meet our high standards for quality. Remember the model number, FTL 100, for easy ordering and reference. Find them at your local supplier. What we like. This option boasts American craftsmanship and a timeless design. It's a reliable choice that will look great in any setting. If you value quality and support American manufacturing, this is the one for you. What people say. The legs are sturdy and finished nicely. The folding locking mechanism is not the easiest to operate if you don't have the right distance between the mounting points, but works easily once the mounting points are the correct distance apart. For the low price, I'd recommend these table legs any day of the week. The package was certainly heavy enough to let you know that these are not flimsy alloy legs, this is steel tubing. Number 3. ROCKLER Folding Banquet Table Legs. These folding legs are made from strong steel tubing, providing dependable strength and durability for your table. They're perfect for replacing old legs or building a new banquet table. With a clean, black finish, it complements any decor. Its size is ideal for banquet tables, offering a professional look for various settings. The steel tubing construction with fully welded joints ensures stability even under heavy loads. It's a safe and reliable solution for home or professional use. Protective, non-slip plastic tips prevent surface damage and keep your table securely in place. This adds practicality and safety to your setup. This set includes a pair of banquet table legs and mounting screws, everything you need to get started. It's ready to provide reliable support for your table. What we like. This is the ultimate in stability and style. The heavy-duty steel construction and non-slip tips ensure your table stays put, even under heavy loads. If you need a robust and stylish solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The table is fairly heavy and the legs provide great support. When extended they lock securely in place and remain rigid and sturdy, with no slop. They also lock down when in the folded position. The legs support it perfectly. They came with the hardware necessary to install them onto the table and installation was pretty self-explanatory. I put these legs on all the poker tables that I've built and continue to reorder the exact ones for all my additional builds. They hold up very well, especially for tables that weigh well over 125 pounds as well as up to 10 folks leaning on the rail while playing poker. Number 2. Heavy-duty folding table legs. These robust legs are perfect for your next DIY project or commercial use. They're built to last and offer a versatile solution for any table. Standing tall at 29 inches, it's constructed from heavy-duty, zinc-coated steel for superior strength and durability. You can trust them to support your table. With 4 base spread options, it's easy to find the perfect fit for your table. Choose from 18, 24, 31, or 37 inches wide. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Tough plastic guides protect your floors from scratches. These are made with pride in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and construction. You're getting a superior product. We're so confident you'll love them, we offer a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, simply let us know. What we like. This option offers unparalleled strength and adaptability. Its commercial-grade durability makes it perfect for any situation. If you need a tough and versatile table leg, this is the right choice. What people say. Worked for what we needed. Very sturdy. Worked well for a poker table I made. Very sturdy. These are strong and well built. Number 1. DIY stainless steel table legs. These legs are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring years of durability and support. They're strong, rust-resistant, and built to last. Easily adjust them from 50 cm to 130 cm to perfectly fit your needs. The adjustable base protects your floors from scratches. It boasts a robust design with a cold-rolled steel mounting plate and a load-bearing base. They can easily support up to 80 kilograms. These legs fold up to a mere 3.5 centimeters thick, perfect for storage when not in use. Fold them flat for easy storage. The push-pull lift mechanism makes adjusting the height a breeze. They're designed for convenience and ease of use. Transform your furniture with these versatile and durable legs. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This offers unparalleled adjustability and convenience. The stainless steel construction ensures lasting durability, and its space-saving design is perfect for smaller spaces. If you need a versatile and durable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Well constructed, functions well in terms of functionality. The table legs were fairly easy to install. Very well built. It's worth pointing out a few things that are not in the product description. Mounting screws are included, but not useful for my particular installation. The pre-drilled mounting holes are 3/16 and number 10 screws. Bolts work fine. The legs lock in both positions, up and down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.